I'll explain everything you need to know about the Erasmus Mundus Joint Masters Scholarship, and I'll also show you how to search for courses on the official Erasmus website. The Erasmus Mundus Scholarship allows international students to study at 2 or more universities located in different European countries. This scholarship generally covers your tuition fees, travel expenses, relocation costs, health insurance, and also provides a monthly living allowance. Reason why Erasmus Mundus is so popular is its flexibility. There is no age limit, study gaps are accepted, students with lower CGPAs can still apply, and there is no application fee for many programs. During your studies, you can also experience living in different European countries using the Schengen visa. Most Erasmus Mundus programs require a Europass CV, a letter of motivation or statement of purpose, an English language certificate, 2 letters of recommendation, and your bachelor's academic transcripts. Some programs may ask for additional documents. Now, let's see how to search for courses. On the official Erasmus Mundus catalog, you can search using keywords related to your field. For example, if your background is computer science, you can search terms like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, or cybersecurity. Similarly, students from engineering, health sciences, law, public policy, arts, linguistics, sports, and many other disciplines can search for programs relevant to their interests. Sometimes a program name may not mention your specialization, but when you open the course details, you may discover that it actually offers the exact field you are looking for. Here you can see different master courses that you can apply. This is the official website of the Erasmus Mundus Joint Masters Program in International Law of Security, Peace and Sustainable Development. This is a 2-year full-time master's program funded by the European Union. During the program, students study at multiple European universities. This scholarship covers the entire 24-month duration of the master's program. If selected, you will receive a monthly scholarship of €1,400, coverage for travel expenses, visa and installation support, living expenses throughout the program, full tuition fee waiver, meaning scholarship holders do not pay the program tuition fees. Here you can check for entry requirements. The first and most important requirement is your academic qualification. Applicants must have completed an undergraduate bachelor's degree from a recognized university. The degree should be equivalent to at least 180 ECTS credits, or its international equivalent, and it must qualify you for admission to master's studies in your home country. Check for English language requirements and other. For the current admission cycle, the online application opens on the 1st of October 2026, and the deadline for Erasmus Mundus scholarship applications is the 4th of January 2027. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.